How did TB get its name? Tuberculosis, TB, is considered the deadliest infectious disease in human history, estimated to have killed over 1 billion people over the last 2 centuries alone. Tuberculosis gets its name from the tubercles, small, firm bumps, that the bacteria cause inside the body. Let's look at the word origin of TB. Tuberculosis has Latin roots. It combines 2 words. Tuberculum, meaning small lump or pimple, with the suffix osis, meaning condition or disease. In medical meaning, it will be literally translated. It means a disease characterized by small lumps. How do tubercles form in tuberculosis? These go through 4 stages. Infection. Mycobacterium tuberculosis bacteria enter the lungs. Immune response. White blood cells rush to attack the bacteria. Walled off. The body builds a physical wall around the germs to trap them. The lump. This cellular wall forms a tiny, hard nodule called a tubercle. A German scientist named Johann Lucas Schonlein officially coined the term tuberculosis in 1839 because these lumps were the defining feature found during patient autopsies. Before this, people called it consumption because it seemed to physically consume the body from the inside out. There were many devastating mortality rates of TB in past. For example, the White Plague. In the 18th and 19th centuries, TB caused 25% of all deaths in Europe and the United States. It earned the nickname White Plague due to the extreme, pale complexion of those infected. Captain of all these men of death. This phrase, coined by writer John Bunyan, reflected how routinely the disease killed people across all social classes. The robber of youth. Unlike other diseases that primarily targeted infants or the elderly, TB heavily struck young adults between the ages of 15 and 35, decimating workforce and family structures. But there was also a romantic aesthetic, romanticism, of TB in the past. Strangely, during the late 18th and 19th centuries, the physical effects of TB became a bizarre high-fashion beauty standard. The fatal beauty. The weight loss, wasting away, and pale skin with flushed cheeks associated with the disease were deeply romanticized. Women even used toxic makeup to recreate the sickly, frail, consumptive look seen in TB. Impact on art. Because it claimed the lives of numerous young geniuses like the poet John Keats, the Bronte sisters, and composer Frédéric Chopin. The society falsely associated the disease with heightened creativity, spiritual purity, and intellect. Shaping modern public health. The historical trajectory completely shifted in 1882. When Dr. Robert Koch discovered the Mycobacterium tuberculosis bacteria, paving the way for vaccines and modern antibiotic treatments that saved hundreds of millions of lives.